Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to seamlessly transfer USDT from your Revolut account to your Arculus wallet. This is a super straightforward process that can help you manage your digital assets more securely. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have USDT in your Revolut account. If not, you'll need to buy some or transfer it in from another source. Once that's sorted, open your Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section. Here, select USDT and look for the withdrawal or send option. It's crucial to double-check that you're withdrawing to the correct network, most likely Ethereum or Tron, depending on what Arculus supports in 2025, so verify that in advance. Next, fire up your Arculus Wallet app on your device. If you haven't set it up yet, download it from the App Store and create a new wallet. Once you're in, go to the Receive section and generate a new address for USDT. Copy this address carefully. It's your golden ticket for this transfer. Now, back in Revolut, paste the Arculus wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and don't forget to review the fees. In 2025, transaction fees might be lower due to advancements in blockchain tech, but always confirm. Hit send, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything one last time before approving. After that, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Arculus wallet and refresh to see your USDT arrive. And just like that, you've successfully moved your funds. Remember, security is key in crypto, so always use two-factor authentication and keep your devices updated. If you run into any issues, Revolut and Arculus have great support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.